In this video, we will talk about how to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crashing constantly. Method 1. Restart File Explorer. Press and hold Ctrl, Shift, and Escape key on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Click in Search. Type Explorer. Right-click on Windows Explorer. Select Restart. Method 2. Clear File Explorer History. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type Control Folders and click on OK. Here, click on Clear. Method 3. Run System File Checker. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the following commands one by one and press Enter. I have mentioned both commands in the description. Method 4. Reset File Explorer. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Terminal as Admin. Click on Yes. Copy-paste this command and press Enter. I have mentioned the commands in the description. So that's how you can fix Windows 11 File Explorer crashing constantly. See you in the next video.